Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Samsung's big presentation has been scheduled. Samsung Galaxy Unpacked 2026 invite leaks, date revealed. Samsung is likely to announce the Galaxy S26 series launch date soon. However, ahead of an official reveal, a trusted tipster has leaked the Galaxy Unpacked 2026 event invite, effectively confirming the date. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Finally, Samsung's big presentation has been scheduled. It could feature the Samsung Galaxy S26, Galaxy S26 Plus and Galaxy S26 Ultra. Information has surfaced online about the next Galaxy Unpacked event, which is expected to be dedicated to the Galaxy S26 series. Samsung is planning to hold its next Galaxy Unpacked event on February 25th, about a month later than its usual schedule, according to renowned tipster Evan Blass. An official teaser from Samsung has provided the first confirmation of the specific launch date for Galaxy S26 series lineup, which will also include a small surprise in the form of new wearables. The delay may be related to recent changes in Samsung's smartphone strategy. It was previously reported that the Galaxy S25 Edge would replace the S26 Plus, but given the Edge's low sales, Samsung has decided to reinstate the Plus model. This means we're once again seeing the familiar three-model combination: the Galaxy S26, S26 Plus and S26 Ultra. Samsung is also expected to unveil the Galaxy Buds 4 series at the Unpacked event. Previous rumors have also suggested the same date for the Unpacked event, with sales kicking off in early March. Samsung recently confirmed one of the marquee features of the Galaxy S26 series, the privacy display. The brand is expected to announce the launch date any day now. In addition, new high-quality renders of the Samsung Galaxy S26, Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, and Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra have appeared online. They were posted on Twitter by renowned leaker Evan Blass. The smartphones are shown in white and transparent protective cases. However, other colors will be available in the lineup. According to Evan Blass, the already leaked Galaxy Buds 4 and Galaxy Buds 4 Pro will also be showcased at the Samsung launch event in San Francisco, and their European prices and pre-order bonuses are already known. Regarding the likely European prices of the Galaxy S26 family, some concrete details have also been leaked, though not yet for the Eurozone. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.